Hi everyone, we're so happy to announce new sugar paste by Sugaring Factory. BOHEMIA, you deserve excellence. Black means superb. BOHEMIA is the first black sugar paste in the United States. Sugaring is natural, organic type of hair removal. Sugaring Factory provides only high quality of sugar paste products that you can use before and after. SugaringFactory.com. Step 1. We need to prepare our skin with new cleanser by Sugaring Factory. You apply some amount on your skin. Step 2, we're using drying powder to dry your skin. Step 3, with new gloves, we're taking some amount of sugar paste and after that you can apply on your skin. We remove the hair the way how it grows. While you do sugaring on your toes, you need to use only one finger of your hand, apply, and then remove, still the way how it grows. Step 4, we're using the same cleanser to remove all what we left on our skin, sugar paste or powder. The last step, you're using the post lotion. First of all, you need to apply on your hand and then smoothly apply onto your skin. Even you do your backside. Sugaring Factory. Okay, Factory. Sugaring. It's very important to do. One second. It's very important